Welcome back to Shop Talk. I'm Janeen Wright, editor of Greenhouse Grower, and I'm here with our contributing editor, Dr. A. Allan, I read one of your recent editorial columns and on the children's gardening, and it was such a fun story about the kid that was beating the bean pod on the bench to get out of it. And you made some great comments about children's gardening and how we can get children interested in gardening, which I think is a great thing, because if we can start them younger getting that interest, that carries up into the thing. What kind of brought about that idea for you? Was it that experience with the little boy, or?
Well, hi, Janeen. It's good fun to be back, and we'll see if we can't confuse a few other people here while we're speaking. But the fact is that this thing we call horticulture, it has so many different arms and tentacles, and you can't pursue them all. We just can't do it all. We talk about marketing this and the new plant that, and we talk about this great trade show and that great book. And the fact is that one of the things we don't talk about very much, we gnash our teeth a bit, is how to get more people gardening. Okay, so I can we might be able to get your mother gardening a bit more, and maybe we can get the new homeowner gardening because they have a new home. But there's this other group coming up that we don't know what to do with. We call them generation something, millennials, whatevers. And let's face it, we don't know what they're thinking, because nobody knew what we were thinking either. But one of the things that I have come to really realize over time is with younger kids. We're talking anywhere from age 7 to 13, 14, who knows. With younger kids, they really do respond to a story about a plant. But the problem with just putting all the pressure on these younger kids to respond is they got to get there where you can hear the story. So what we want to do is we want to get the mums and the grandmas and the dads and the grandpas, we want to get them excited, inspired about gardening things, so that they can inspire the kids. The children will love to listen to me, but they got to find me. And if they come to a garden where somebody is telling the parents about the stories, it really works. I just wrote a column, the last one that came out in Greenhouse Grower magazine, about one of my many experiences with kids. And it's all about getting the parents excited. And I talk to kids about, do you know the name of the boy who took his cow into town? His mother told him to sell it. Do you remember what his name was? Kids are scratching their head. The parents say, Jack, Jack, Jack. So the parents are excited. Then I said, well, what did Jack get in return for the cow? And the kids then knew the story. Beans, beans. And so I showed them these great beans. And mothers love this. The fathers love this. They're going to be showing their uncles, their kids, and their cousins all this story. They're going to talk about things that, if you get the parents squeezing a Bergenia leaf, that crazy pig squeak stuff, show them how to do it, they'll be squeaking all day, and their kids will be squeaking all day. And so it's a matter of, in my opinion, getting the adults inspired and excited, so that they in turn will get the kids excited. And it's not easy, but that's what we have to think about. How can we market ourselves to adults to talk about their kids? And it's doable, and we have some ideas going on right now.
Yeah. Allan, thanks for joining us today, and we hope that you'll join us soon for another episode of Shop Talk.